I'm not even gonna pretend to be chill about it. I just really want you guys to like me because I like you. I love you, okay? Why am I the way that I am? Hi guys, I'm Jami Alix. You know what? I don't know how to start any YouTube video without being like, hi guys! I need to come up with like a new intro. If you didn't know, I have another channel, a joint vlog channel with my best friend Lexi Mars. As codependent as we are, we still have our own separate schedules, and so we wanted to each make separate YouTube channels so that we could do certain content that's specific to us. Today we're gonna be doing a huge collective, massive, ginormous beauty haul. So this is kind of like blogger gifting and a lot of beauty products that I've accumulated over the course of like a month or two. Yeah, let's jump right in. So the first thing is from the Mayfair group, and they sent me this pink little carry-on makeup case. You can just imagine my excitement when I open this up. First thing is this So Addicted Lash Addict Major Extensions Mascara. I have eyelash extensions, so I don't really use mascara on my top lashes, but on my bottom lashes I do. Then we've got a velvet pink scrunchie, and I truly can't get enough of these. Lash Addict Luscious Lashes Liner. You know, if you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you know if I'm shooting, I'm wearing eyeliner. Wait, did you guys have that phase in high school where you wore black eyeliner like down to the bottom of your nose on your bottom lash line in high school, like freshman year? Had that. Got Isle of Paradise Dark Self-Tanning Drops for face and body. I'm really interested in this because I'm a self-tanning addict. The face is always the first place to fade, and this will be really, really nice. Then we've got the DermaRoller by Hora. Oh, cool. Wait, I've always wanted to try one of these. I'm actually, ooh, that tickles. Eee. I am trying this tonight. I'm so pumped. These are the Patchology Perk Up Energizing Tea Infused Aromatherapy Eye Gels. I also used one and I really, really liked them. I have really dark circles and I'm always looking for something to hydrate my under eye. So there's pretty much no gel patch that can disappoint me. We've got Airplane Mode Sleep Mask. That's so cute. Too bad I'm not going on a vacation or an airplane. Well, maybe I am actually next month. Honestly, I'm gonna take a picture like that. That'd be kind of cute, wouldn't it? Would it? Next we have Complex Beauty Rose Glow Glycolic Mask. Okay, glycolic acid is the best for exfoliating and getting rid of acne. I don't know why that was so sassy. The best. I have been getting glycolic peels for years now. Then your skin is like perfectly clear. So anything with glycolic acid, I'm down. Then we have Suntegrity Natural Moisturizing Face Sunscreen and Primer. This just seems like a perfect one for by the pool or beach. Indie Lee Purifying Face Wash. Okay, A+ for packaging. Stunning for my bathroom counter, let me tell you. Then we have Super Rich Moisturizer for Dewy Radiant Skin by Bliss. And then Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to smooth and brighten. If you don't want to do a full mask, these are a great way to still get some of the benefits of glycolic acid. This is the Aura Super Serum CBD, and I think it's just a face serum that you can put on before moisturizer with CBD in it. Revlon sent over a package of pretty much every single color in their new Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. If you want super pigmented lip product, these are your guys. Also from Revlon, the Makeup Revolution X Pride Proud of My Life palette. Oh, I'm so excited to play with this palette. This literally looks like my Instagram feed right now. It's like all over the place. This is the Spirit of Pride palette. Another crazy color palette. So much fun. I just sounded like such a suburban mother. That sounded like Amy Poehler in Mean Girls. So much fun. Then I got a package from Paintbox nail polish. This is like spice and like spring. Power couples is what they're marketed as. We've got like wild and like wonder. Oh, I love these colors together, like Desire and like Dreams, and those are the names of the polishes. I don't get gel though, I get acrylics and I put normal polish over it, so I'm definitely gonna bring these in next time I go to the salon. Next, we've got a package from Youth to the People. Their Kombucha 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner. I feel like I'm addicted to toner right now. I also got some blogger mail from Laura Mercier. They sent over the Respect Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick. They also sent over the Sapphire Caviar Stick Eye Color. You guys know I love my blue liner. We've also got Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. I'll probably give it a try on my bottom lashes. I also got the illuminating powder in Indiscretion. This is like a rose gold highlighter. Another highlighter, which is more of a gold tone in the shade Addiction. Gold tone one I think is my favorite. I'm just so partial to anything that's like bronzy, sort of glowy look. Strawberry blush color. I love a pop of really hot pink against like tan skin. I know that kind of sounds tacky when you say it, but I'm wearing it now and it doesn't look crazy. Or you can tell me if I look crazy, that's fine. The last of the makeup that I got was this bronzer by Tarte, and again, the packaging just captivates me, you guys. I haven't really used this product yet, but it's just a bronzer, and as I'm swatching it, I can see it's a little bit of a lighter tone bronzer, and I tend to like darker bronzer just because I do tan a lot. On to skincare. So I got a package from Supergoop, and they are a really well-known sunscreen brand. I have not tried them, but I've heard a million and one things, and I'm kind of surprised I haven't tried them by now. This is their everyday sunscreen SPF 30 with sunflower extract. We've got the Glow Stick SPF 50, which is gonna be amazing for my face because I'm one of those people where if my face is in the sun for 5 minutes, I will burn. I am planning on going to the pool and the beach a lot this summer, and so I'm just gonna throw these in my pool bag and we're good to go. Next thing is by the brand Awake Beauty. I got this Dream Mist pillow spray. Ooh, yes, Awake Beauty. That is the tea. I wanna spray myself with this. Also got the Keep Calm and Roll On Clarity Cream. You know, I don't know what a clarity cream is, but if you guys know, let me know. We've got Lip Therapy Lip Mask. I love doing lip masks, eye gel masks, because my lips get really dry too. I think I've talked about that on Instagram quite a bit. Pillowcases, vegan pillowcases. Yay, wait, that's so exciting. I needed new pillowcases. Hell yeah. Next two things are from Kiehl's. A lot of their products I've been using for years, and this is one of them. So the Midnight Recovery Concentrate is something that I put on my skin every single night before bed, and since I started doing that, I haven't had a single breakout. This is their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I use this every single day before putting on moisturizer. So I did a giant Fresh Beauty haul on my IGTV. I wanted to just bring over a couple products because I did have the past month to get to try them out. I did not realize how freaking amazing their products were, and I'm so happy I got to try them. Like, they might be my new favorite skincare brand. I've been using them straight for the past month. I haven't broken out. My skin feels amazing. So I'm just gonna show you some of my favorite products from them. The first one is their Umbre and Clay Purifying Mask. This thing just strips all the dirt away from your face. I personally love these for days when I've like maybe messed up and slept in my makeup and just need a restart. I also am in love with their Creme Ancienne, I don't know, Ultimate Ageless Complexion Treatment. It's made by hand in a monastery. It's a very rich cream, and if you have dry spots that aren't going away, this is going to help you the most. I've been using their eye cream, which is the exact same version of this except in an eye cream. So here's my thing with eye cream is that I can't stand when it's like a really light serum because I have really dry eyelids, I have really dry eyes. I just need that plumpness there. I just tried this eye cream and it is thicker than any eye cream I've ever tried in my life. Now I kind of feel myself, I'm like, I cannot live without this cream. The other thing that I've been using every single day is the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. Rose is one of my favorite scents of all time, but it works wonders, it's awesome, and it looks great underneath foundation. The next thing is the Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. Again, this is one of those products where like there's not really a face mist that can truly disappoint me. I love it. It's a really sleek packaging. It looks really nice on my bathroom counter, and it also smells amazing. So good. And then the Fresh Sea Berry Moisturizing Face Oil with Sea Buckthorn Oil. I tend to use this right before I use the Rose face cream, and my skin feels great. Here's my skin. Can you see it? It's got loads of makeup on it, so maybe you can't. Last but not least are candles. And when I first started watching YouTube years ago, I would see people haul candles specifically, and those would be my favorite YouTube videos. So at heart, I wanted to be a candle blogger, and I feel like that's my niche, but I'm trying to expand. I won't lie, I probably have 50 candles in my house. I wanted to show you my top 3 favorites at the moment. The first one being Brown Sugar by Fresh. Okay, like I can't even go into it just makes me so happy. If you're located in LA, one of my favorite spots to go candle shopping specifically is Candle Delirium. It's got almost every brand of candle you could think of, including Diptyque. They led me to this scent, which is roses, and then also from Candle Delirium is this brand Apothique, their White Vetiver candle. It just smells like a spa. It's just very calming. So that's everything for the beauty haul. This is not a video of me bragging at all. It's just that I love personally watching like unboxings and new beauty products that people are trying, and I just thought that you guys would like that too. And I definitely will do like a favorites video for some of my favorite products, or like a skincare routine. Anything that you guys want, just go ahead and leave me a comment below, because I am so down to create all the content in the world together. So make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Please subscribe to me. I'm not even gonna pretend to be chill about it. I just really want you guys to like me, because I like you. I love you, okay? Okay, I don't know how to end a video. What do you guys want to see from me? Do you like me? Will you subscribe to me? Please, and also maybe subscribe to me. And if you don't want to, it's fine, but also like, please. Thank you. What is with the hands? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.